Good morning children. Let us continue the same chapter. The last class we have studied about some agricultural practices. Two steps we have seen. Preparation of soil. Then second step sowing. Okay, what is sowing? Sowing means spreading the seed in the field, isn't it? And I told you that there are two steps to follow the method of sowing the seed. One is by manually or using the machine seed drill. How do you spread the seed? We should not spread on the field. Over the field, over the soil, we should not put the seed. Why? Birds will pick up the seed. So money will be wasted. Second thing, we should not go for sowing the seed at the greater depth. If you put deep inside the soil, the seed will not get enough air to germinate. So it should be kept at the right depth, particular depth inside the soil. Not top also you should not put, or very deep also you should not go and put the soil. You should at the moderate depth, moderate height, you got to keep the seed. Okay. Today third step you are studying. The first one, today's first topic is transplantation. What is transplantation? It is a process of removing seedlings from nursery to field. What is nursery? What is nursery? It is a place. It is a place, one place like that. They keep a small area in which they throw the seed, and they germinate. Okay, they germinate. When they germinate, this place is called nursery. It is a place in which they put the seed and the seedling comes. Seed to germination occurs. Germination means seed to seedling, plant, small plant. When the plants grows at small height, proper height, right height, they will remove this plant from this nursery to the field. And in the field they keep at the right distance. They plant these plants as a right distance. Okay, so that they will get, plants should be kept at the right proper distance. Why it should be kept at the proper right distance? They will maintain the distance so that they will get enough sunlight, enough manure. Yes sir, so it should be kept. In nursery it is not kept like that. They simply throw the seed, then they germinate. When they once it is germinated, that means at a small height. At certain height when it grows, they will transplant. They pick the plant, they remove the plant from the nursery and put it in the right place. Which place? Field. Okay. So nursery is a place in which they go for seedling process. That means in which they plant, put the seed, and they will go for germination, and there they will allow the plant to grow up to certain height. Then they will remove. This is a place where seedling occurs. Seed to seedling. Germination occurs, we can say. What is this transplantation? It is a process of removing these plants from the nursery to farm or nursery to field. Okay, nursery to big field. Clear? The next one is weeding. The next topic is weeding. Okay, three practices. Third practice we are doing agricultural practices. Weeding. What is weeding is removing unwanted plants. I told you we grow the plants at the proper distance. Okay, at the proper distance we grow the plant. We keep the plant in the field. And what to do is weeding unwanted plant grow. Unwanted plant grow in between. In between the crops, unwanted plant and desirable plant grows. It is not good to grow such a type of weeds. Why means they take away, or we will put some nutrition here, or we will provide some nutrition, manure, fertilizer. They will take out the nutrition and they will grow very fast. At fast rate they will grow. They take out all the nutrition. They don't get enough nutrition. So it has to be removed. This weeds has to be removed. What is weed? The unwanted plants which grow in the field is called, unwanted plant is called weed. It has to be removed by two methods. One is by manually, second by using what is a weedicide. know what is manual means? With the hand we have to remove this plant and throw away. Along with the wood we have to remove. Or some tools are there, trowel, some tools like that instrument is there. Okay, blind part. This is a sharpened area. Through this they will remove the unwanted plant, weeds. Say some example of weeds. That grass, these are the example of, it is given the book, you learn unwanted plant ka name. Amaranthus, grass, these are the weeds. How will you remove? By two methods, manually and using weedicide. Manually means with the hand you have to remove the plant. Weedicide means some chemicals. What is weedicide? It is a chemical which is used to remove the plants, remove the unwanted plants. What are the chemicals? 2,4-D. And what is another example? Dialafone, DALAPO, Dialafone. These are the chemicals. What is 2,4-D? 2,4 dichloro phenoxyacetic acid. A1 compound, chemical compound, substance. Okay, 2,4 dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, one weedicide, one compound, one substance. If you pour this using spray, spraying, take this substance and add water with the help of sprayer, they will spray. So that these weeds will die. Unwanted plants will die. We can remove the unwanted plant by using these chemicals. Okay. Next one is how to prepare compost. What is the question? How to prepare compost. It is a preparation of manure, organic manure. We know daily our homes, from our homes, much amount of wastes are eliminated, solid waste, like vegetable peels, covering of banana, okay, and potato peels, potato covering. We remove the waste. Many wastes are coming from our house, from our kitchen. That waste, what they do, they make a pit in the soil. They make a pit in the soil, and they will dump all the materials, waste materials, which will decompose. Decomposable material like plants waste, animal waste, they put here. Then they cover the soil, and they will cover this place. With the help of slab or anything, they will cover the top layer. After 1 week, it will be decomposed. With the help of microorganisms, small organisms and bacteria, this all big substance, organic substance, decomposed to manure, which is good for the plants to grow. Understand? This is the way we prepare compost. Compost means organic manure. Clear? How will you prepare the compost? Make a pit in the soil at a certain great depth, not great, at a small height. You dig the soil and put all the organic waste into the pit. This pit you have to dump, then cover it. Put some soil also, then cover it. After a few days, 1 week, 2 weeks, it changes into manure, which is good for plants to grow. Clear? Next one is difference between manure and fertilizer. What is the difference? It is made at home. You can prepare at home. It is in factory. We prepare this substance in the factory. But manure, it is to prepare the manure. I told you compost pit we can prepare, but here where we go, in factory only this substance is prepared, and this is not rich in much nutrients, whereas this fertilizer is rich in particular specific nutrients. Some plants require potassium more, so potassium they will prepare potassium fertilizer. Some plants require urea more. Some plants require potassium, okay, phosphorus, NPK, some need nitrogen. So according to the need of the plant, they will prepare the nutrition rich fertilizer. Okay, manure is not that much specific nutrition is not present. Okay, it is less about, here we can make a specific nutrients. Rich, okay, rich means more amount is present, here not rich. Not rich of specific nutrient. Clear? And this brings porous to the soil. Good texture to the soil. Okay, good texture to the soil. Here it is not maintain the good texture. You can use more. We can use more. More we can use. No problem. No damage it causes to the crops. But if you use more fertilizer to the plant, what happened? The alkalinity nature of the soil will be damaged, and root also will die, and organism, that means water also causes pollution. It causes pollution to the water also. Water pollution it causes. So we should not use more amount of fertilizer. And it is easy to store in the sack, cover, plastic. It is not easy to store. Storing also not easy to store. Whereas this can be stored in the sack, polythene cover, can be stored. Okay. Here we can use more, not use more. Okay, if you use more, what happens? Water also will be polluted, and the plants also get damaged. Soil also become polluted. Understand? These are the difference. First difference is we can prepare it at home. Here only in factory. And next one is this is rich in specific substance. That means like potassium and phosphorus, etc. Here it is not rich in specific nutrients, and it brings good texture to the soil. It is not. We can use more. Does not cause any damage to the crops. We cannot use more fertilizer. It causes damage to the crop, soil, and water also. And it is easy to store. It is not easy to store. It can be stored easily in the sack. Thank you.